Hey guys, this is Monster Jam Top Dog. This is Slime Series 1805. We kick it off with Airborne Ranger taking on Backwards Bob. Overboard's launch out looking for his first win on my channel. We do need a fast scissor at the end of round one. Here we go. Oh, just like that. Just barely Backwards Bob takes out Airborne Ranger round one. Airborne Ranger is automatically a fast scissor. On next, Inverted Dragon up against your defending champion, Surf Zombie. Inverted Dragon takes out Surf Zombie. We are having a brand new champion now. Wow. Up next, Nitro Dragon, Inverted Gravedigger. Inverted Gravedigger with the win. Up next, Lucas Stabilizer and Overboard. That is going to go to Overboard. Oh yeah, big time. Next, Cyber Shark, Captain's Curse. Captain's Curse will fall way too early, giving the easy victory to Cyber Shark. Up next, Gravedigger and Stone Crusher. Gravedigger. In your last series of round one, Rock Rescue against Sun Impact, who is the only small hub in this field. Rock Rescue will take him out. Fast Scissors, Airborne Ranger. Let's see who's in these semifinals. Inverted Dragon. Overboard. Cyborg Shark. Last spot goes to your fast loser, Airborne Ranger. Alright. Inside Dragon. The Chocolate Drive. Inside Overboard. Me, Monster Jam Top Dog. Inside Cyborg Shark. The Chocolate Drive. Inside Airborne Ranger. The Chocolate Drive. It's between Inverted Dragon, Cyborg Shark, and Airborne Ranger. Overboard is already in the championship race. Right now, Cyborg Shark is in the lead. Cyborg Shark is in the championship race. Championship race is set. Me, Monster Jam Top Dog, Overboard, The Chocolate Drive, Cyborg Shark. Overboard's looking for his first win on my channel. Cyborg Shark, 4-time series champion. I'm a 250 one-time winner. The Chocolate Drive, 107-time winner. Your winner, Slime Series 1805, goes to the Chocolate Drive and Cyborg Shark. Congratulations, Cyborg Shark is now a 4-time winner. Chocolate Drive, 108-time winner. Subscribe if you're new. Just join that button. See you guys later. Bye.